Marshall Embrtan II is one of the best Bluetooth speakers, and if you got one, waiting to connect and pair it for the first time with any of your Android phone, let's get started. To take it into pairing mode for the first time, just press and hold this control knob for 2 seconds. Your Marshall will turn on with a startup sound. After that, just press on this Bluetooth button until it starts pulsing red LED. Now, from your Android phone settings, go to Bluetooth settings, depend on which phone you're using. If you get a pop-up like this, you can pair your Bluetooth by the help of the app, by which you can further customize your Marshall settings. If you don't get a pop-up or you don't feel like it, don't worry. Just skip this part and wait for Marshall's name to appear in this Bluetooth list. When it does, just tap on it, and from this pairing pop-up, confirm the connection. And that's it, your Embertan will be paired to your Android device. You can pair multiple Android devices with this Bluetooth speaker by this exact same process. While playing tracks, you can push the control knob towards volume up or down to increase or decrease the speaker volume, or towards left or right to skip forward or backwards to another track. Whenever you want, just press and hold this control knob to turn off this device, and whenever you turn it on by the same process again, it will reconnect it to the last device it was paired to. And you got it right. That's how easily you can pair your Marshall Embrtan II with any of your Android devices. Thanks for watching.